My name is Dana Kraft, and we just completed a major remodel of our master bathroom using BST Design and Build, and it turned out fantastic. We're very happy with it. So our prior bathroom was original to the house. It was going on 25 years old and was essentially falling apart. The cabinets were literally glued together. The tiles were coming off our shower. Functionally, it just wasn't working for us as well. So I had given a lot of thought to the redesign of the master bathroom for quite a while. Had some ideas on the design, the feel that I was going for. I had selected some materials that I really like the tiles that we used in the shower. And I actually spoke to a couple of different contractors, had them come out, give us an estimate, and I just never really felt right about them. They weren't open to the ideas that I had. They didn't really come with any recommendations for some of the challenges that I was trying to figure out. And honestly, their prices were pretty high for what I thought we weren't getting. So I found BST Design and Build completely by luck online, and was originally really impressed with the reviews that he had, and then saw the portfolio of work and thought it was just gorgeous, really high quality, which is what we were looking for. So I decided to go ahead and meet with him. And another thing that really appealed to me was that he does a free design and estimate. So I felt like we really had nothing to lose. And really enjoyed working with Matt. He was very open to our ideas. One of them being taking the tile to the ceiling in our shower, which was something the other contractors, weren't open to. I just really felt like it was gonna make an impact, and he was open to hearing those ideas and implementing them. He came to me with solutions to some of the challenges that we had. Also, he has a CAD diagram that really shows you exactly what it's gonna look like before you even sign on the dotted line. So it made us feel really comfortable with what we were going to get, and also the price was very reasonable, especially for everything that was included. So I've been really happy. The process was great. They were there like clockwork every day, put long days in, but more importantly, just the quality of work, the attention to detail, especially in the shower. You'll see that just watching the grains and making sure they flow together so it's really elegant. And looks purposeful, and not just putting the tiles up there, and making sure everything lines up perfectly. And he really did speak to me during the process and explain to me the small details that he was looking at. And I think it turned out fabulous. The other thing that was great about working with Matt, frankly, is all of the extras that he did. Because he actually gave us more than we ever talked about initially, never charging us more, simply because he really wanted it to be as beautiful as it could be. So for instance, our shower bench was originally just a box we were going to tile over, and his idea was to really make it more elegant using our quartz and having it streamlined. It turned out fabulous. And he also used quartz in other places in the shower, as well as the small wall that we have over by our bathtub. The shower doors are much larger than we ever anticipated to fit the size of the room. All of these are things that he did on his own because he just really thinks about the quality. So totally recommend him. It was a great experience. I couldn't be happier with our bathroom. It's everything I wanted and a whole lot more.